Hello everybody. It's a bit late, but just after school. My friend and I, Ronan, my friend Ronan, he's got his YouTube channel too. If you want to go check that out, his videos are pretty cool. His channel is called Simon Burke, SIMON space Burke, and go watch Simon Burke riding sheep. That's a good one. And here's my animals. I'll go show my new baby chicks. And I also got this little lamb that I got today. Yeah, I got a little baby lamb. I got it today. I think I just repeated myself. But go check out my other YouTube channels. I got this one called Among Us Real Life. That one gets crazy. So let me just go show you my chickens, my baby chicks. Where are you? Which cage? There's my guinea pigs. What? Okay. There's my guinea pig. I'm not sure if my chickens are in here. Here's a bunny. Here's a grey bunny. Okay. I'll go show you the rest of my animals. My friend, he said to give like a whole farm tour. I've been doing lots of farm tours, but I haven't showed the whole house, so I'll do that. And I got, wait, now I won't tell that. Maybe it's a bit private. So yeah, go check out Among Us Real Life and Ronan's channel. Here are my horsies. I got 3 white ones. Here's one here. Here's a horse. And I got one down here. Or 2 down here. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So I've got 3 horses. So I'll show you my goats soon. And I'll walk all the way up to the top of my property. So I can show you some more animals. Okay. Here's a horse. Here's a horse. Let's go back. It's a bit windy. Sorry about the noise. It's probably a bad time to make a YouTube video. But I want likes and I want subscribers. So please hit that like button and subscribe. Because I really need it. Please. I don't care if my videos are a bit cringe. But please give me a like and subscribe. If you can't, that's okay. But if you can, please do it. Okay. Some animals here. I have been doing lots of YouTube YouTube farm tours, sorry. Yeah. Here's some of the babies that I have. Yeah, look at that. And then here's Here's some down here. Hey, Jess. Okay, that one here. This one here. This one's called Jessie, and it is my goat. I always feed it. Here are the boys that hit her. It's pretty annoying. They're pretty naughty. And here's the top of my